default values in functions. Sometimes you want your function to have multiple values by default, either a string or numbers. So go to brackets, I will show you how to do it. As you can see, we have our previous function names. So default values in functions mean to make the parameters of the function definition have values by default. To do that, in all parameters of the function names, we will give ifName parameter a value such as ifName equal quotation marks John, and LName parameter equal quotation marks all punctuation marks Doe. So when we call the function without giving any arguments, it will print John Doe by default. So try that in terminal and see what it shows. Nice, but if we need to change the default values easily, we just can type function call names parenthesis ifName equal put any name such as Donald, comma LName equal Jack. Then try it on terminal again. As you can see, the default values have been changed in our second call. That's it for now. Thank you very much.